I was looking online, so I was comparing different programs, and I like this one because they give you a kit, it's affordable. You can do your down payment or in full payment, so I like how there's options of payment. What I think about all the training at Lash Blvd was that it was super informative. I learned a lot, and that the instructor was super nice. She helped me learn how to get the lash straight on the lashes, and it was just like she held my hand throughout the whole process, so like I loved that a lot. It was super amazing. I was hoping obviously to learn how to apply lash extensions. I learned a lot. I learned about different sizes, different curls, different types of glue, what eyelash extensions good for different eye shapes. Like I learned everything, and I was super glad that I went with this program. I thought it was super informative. I learned a lot from it. I took a lot of notes. I think it's great that you have an online course too, so that there's options to learning this. Yes, I would definitely recommend Lash Blvd training to other people that are looking for informational learning training, like all of that. They'll train you on everything. I would, if someone was on the fence about training, I would tell them to just go for it. If there's a lot of things you can learn in this class, and it's easy. She'll teach you, she'll go step by step with you, and it's nothing, you shouldn't be afraid of learning something new. It's always a learning process, so I think they should definitely enroll in this program.